Okay, welcome to Vidya Lakshmi YouTube channel. This is your Shaktivel Max teacher. Right, children? Today, we are going to see chapter number 9, straight lines. From the chapter 9, straight lines, exercise 9.1, we are going to see. First sum, I'm going to start now. Listen, children. First question. Yes, what is the first question here? See, draw quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. So we have to draw the quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane, and whose vertices are given. See, we have to draw the what is the quadrilateral arm, right? By using the vertices, we have to draw. Okay, right. The vertices, they are given that first point, second point, and third and fourth points are given. Also, find its area. It means we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. See, area of quadrilateral, I didn't give a formula. What I gave? Area of triangle I gave. Okay. By using area of triangle, I'm going to find the area of quadrilateral. How, sir? In the sense, see, when we have a quadrilateral, children, when we have a quadrilateral, when you divide the quadrilateral into two parts, what I'm getting? Two triangle. So, sum of two triangle area you will be getting as a quadrilateral. That is, I'm going to do this here. Okay. Right. Then first 3-point area, then last again the continuation A, B, C in the sense C, D, A, like that. So I'm going to divide into two portions. Two portions when I'm getting the area of a quadrilateral. Is it okay? This is I'm going to do it. Right. Before that, we have to draw quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane in the sense what, my dear? Cartesian plane in the sense what, ma? X, just grab two-dimensional figure, okay? So this is my x-axis and y-axis. Intersecting point I'm giving as a origin, okay? Right. X value, highest we have a -4. Yeah, minus side we have a till -4. So -1, -2, -3, -4. Right. Positive value we have a till 5. Right. Then you give here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. Y side till 7 we have highest number. So till 7 we have to do. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's going till here. So it will be 6 and 7. That's it. And negative side we have till -5. Then in the negative side you just give -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. That's it. So all those points I wanna what is the plot in the coordinate plane. Then after join you will be getting the required quadrilateral. That's it. Okay. Right. Let me plot the points. -4, 5. X value -4 and y value 5. X value -4, y value 5. Both intersecting place what, my dear? Maybe here. I'm right. Okay. -4 and 5. Both intersecting place here. -4, 5. 0, 7. X value 0. Y value 7. So x value 0, y value 7 in the sense on the y-axis. Okay, this is my y-axis in the sense on the y-axis. I want to take 0, 7. Next, +5, -5. Plus 5, this side we have x value. -5 here in the fourth quadrant we will be getting. So +5, -5 is my next third point. And fourth point, -4, -2. What I'm getting? -4 and -2 both meeting place here. -4, -2. That's it, children. When you join all those vertices, you will be getting the required quadrilateral. Shall we join now? So kindly use a ruler to join these points. Okay. So I'm joining directly. So this is my required quadrilateral which we need. So this is they has to do. Draw a quadrilateral in a Cartesian plane. We did it. That's it. It's over. Understand? Now, name I have to take for finding area. So, we have two ways, children. We have two ways. The given point you take as it is A, B, C, D. If you take like that, when you find the area, it may come in negative. It may come in negative, but in formula, we have a modulus. Modulus in the sense, when you get a negative or positive, we should take only positive. Understand? Sir, directly I need a positive value, sir. In the sense, there is the idea. After drawing the diagram, you take the name through anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise, if you are taking, you will be getting always positive. Understand? But starting point is yours. Wherever you can start, that's not a problem. But what is that? You want to go like anti-clockwise. If you are starting from here, this will be A, B, C, D. No, sir. I will start from the top point. In the top point, you consider as A, B, C, D. Like that, we have to go. Where we will start? You people tell me. 0, 7, right? 0, 7. If you think as a let me take some other color. Yes. A, if I'm taking this A, and this is my B, C, D, like that. Now, through this name, if you are going, you never get a negative value. Understand? Right. But we are not going directly quadrilateral. Through triangle, we are moving on. Okay. So, triangle, which diagonal will join? Because we have a two diagonal. Which diagonal will join? B to D, Raja. Our wish, either BD or AC, you join, that is our wish. But anti-clockwise we have to go. So B, C, D, anti-clockwise name. Next D, A, B, like that. Anti-clockwise you have to move. Understand? It's important. Right. Now, first area of triangle formula. Do you remember, children? Area of triangle formula 1/2 modulus of. Yeah, I gave that idea. X1 y minus y plus x2 y minus y plus x3 y minus y modulus closed. Right. After 1, 2, 3. After 2, 3 after no number, so 1. After 3, 1, 2. The continuation number we have to give. Then you will be getting automatically the required, what is the formula? Okay. Right. Now I'm going first area of, what is that? BCD, let me find. Then I'll go to ABD or DAB. Okay. Right. So what I'm going, area of triangle. What I said, BCD. Area of triangle, BCD, I'm going. Then 1/2 into. So we have to write all those points. I'm right. B point minus 4, 5. And C point minus 4, minus 2. And D point here. We have a plus 5, minus 5. Plus 5, minus 5. Now we have to mention that this is my x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Kindly write all those things in the right hand side of the classwork note and mention these things in the pencil. Then only you people will not do mistake. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to the area. What is the x1 value? X1 value is what? Minus 4 into y2 value minus 2. And this is my formula minus y3 value minus 5. Already there is a minus. One more minus we have. Then minus and minus plus 5 you will be getting. Do you understand, children? Here it's important. And x2 value we have a minus 4 again. Right. Open bracket. Y3 value minus 5. And formula minus y1 value we have a plus 5. Then you give as it is. Plus x3 value. What we have x3 value? Plus 5. Y1 value 5. Minus y2 value, here already minus, here also minus, then minus and minus, plus 2, closed bracket. Understand? Right. Now let's start to simplify this. Right. What I'm getting? Minus 4 into, when I simplify this, plus 3. Highest number contain positive. So plus 3 I'm giving. Minus 4 into, when I have a negative for both the number, we have to add and put the same symbol. Okay. Then minus 5, na, minus 10 I'm getting, plus 5 into, 5 plus 2, 7. That's it. Now we'll simplify this. So 1/2. What I'm getting here? Minus 12. Minus into minus plus 4 10s are 40. 5 7s are 35. Okay. Now here we'll go. 40 30 means 75. 75 minus 12. What I'm getting? 3 6 63. So 63. So this we can write 63 divided by 2 square units. What we can write? Square unit. That is one of the part from the quadrilateral. That means one triangle. Okay. One more triangle we have to find. Yes, one more triangle. One more triangle, that is area of triangle. So anti-clockwise you take DAB. Okay. What I am taking? DAB. So clockwise or zigzag like that, if I am taking, what is the problem? Nothing. Maybe it will come in negative. Okay, maybe. It will always come in negative like that. There is no rule. Maybe it may come in negative. If it come also, no problem. There is a modulus. You take a positive. Nothing. No need to worry about it. Next I am going DAB. So D point we should write. D point 5 comma minus 5. Next A point, there we have 0 comma 7 and B point minus 4 comma 5. So all those things, we have to mention that x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Now we have to go finding that 1 by 2 modulus x1 value what we have 5 into the formula y2 minus y3. y2 value 7, formula minus y3 value 5, okay, plus x2 value 0. See 0 into anything, it will be 0. Shall we leave it that as a step? The second term we can leave it because 0 into the whole thing, it will be 0. Then no need to go. No, don't waste your time. Next, x3 value, here we have a minus 4. Then minus 4 into, what I have, y1 minus y2. y1 value minus 5. This is formula minus y2 value 7. Okay, closed bracket. Right, modulus now. So 1 by 2 into, what I am getting here? 5. And 7 minus 5, I am getting 2. 0, you just leave it. 4 into, both are negative, then we have to add and put the same symbol, then minus 12, closed bracket. So what I am getting now, 1 by 2, 5 2s are 10. What I am getting, 5 2s are 10, minus and minus plus, 4 12s are 48. Okay, so when I add, what I am getting, modulus 58. If you want to cancel, you can cancel, or else by 2 if you keep it, while you add it will be very easy. Okay, if you want to cancel, what is that? You just cancel it. One time, how many times it will be coming? 2 times, then 9. 29 square units we are getting. 29 square units. This is not a final answer. We have to find area of the quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral, what is the idea I said? Yeah, area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle. Area of triangle, what is the name? BCD. Area of triangle BCD plus area of triangle DAB. Okay, DAB. We have to add both the value. Here we have 63 divided by 2 plus what it is 29. So when you take cross multiple, what I am getting? 63 plus what it is 58 when you take cross multiple whole divided by 2, which is equal to add both. 8 plus 3, 11, remainder 1, 6 plus 6, 12 Raja. Is it 12? 121 divided by 2 square units. Check the book bag answer, children. 121 divided by 2 square units we are getting. That's it, ma. This is the required value for the area of quadrilateral. Okay. Area of quadrilateral we have to find, like we have to divide into 2 portions. The triangle we have to divide into 2 portions. One triangle separately, other separately, then we have to add both. This is the way to go. They may ask in a 3 mark or in a 5 mark, they will ask. Understand? Shall we go to next question, pa? Shall I go to next? Huh? Right. Question number 2, what says? Let's see, ma. Listen, children. Question number 2. The base of equilateral triangle. Base of equilateral triangle with the side 2A lies along the y-axis. What they are telling? The base of triangle lies along the y-axis. It means the basis lies on the y-axis. It's the meaning. So we have to draw the coordinate plane. It's my x-axis. It's my y-axis, origin, O I'm taking. What they said very clearly, the base of the triangle lies along the y-axis, they are telling. Then the base should be on the y-axis. Base should be on the y-axis we have to give. Understand? Right. Then length will be coming like this. So this will be 2A units. And this is also 2A units. And base, this full length 2A units. That is the question they are given. Understand? Right. Listen carefully. The base of equilateral triangle side 2A lies along the y-axis. Base lies on y-axis. That is the meaning. It means base we have to give in a y-axis. That is the concept. Such that, how it should be satisfied in the sense, such that the midpoint of the base at origin. See, midpoint of the base at origin. It means we have to divide into 2 equal portions, the 2A. Midpoint of the midpoint in the sense it will be divided into 2 equal parts. So it will be coming here A and this is also A. Then A plus A you will be getting 2A. That's it. That is the concept. Suppose if I'm taking this is my A point, B point, and this is my C point. Vertex A, what it will be? Vertex B, what it will be? Vertex C, what it will be? Everything we have to find. Shall we go? Listen. So from the origin O, the A vertex, how far it is in the sense, it contains A length. Then any point on y-axis, which will be 0? X will be 0. Then this is 0 comma A we have to say. Like that here also it have A length, then 0 comma A we have to say. But OB is it negative direction, so that we have to give minus A. When we see as a length, it is plus A only. Understand? When we see as a vertex, we have to give negative A. Understand? Because it is lying on the negative direction. Understand? This is positive direction, so I am giving plus A. So we got that from the diagram. Yeah, C will go. From the diagram, what all value we know, we just see A value, A vertex 0 comma A, and B vertex 0 comma minus A, and C vertex C is lies on x-axis. When C lies on x-axis, what it will be 0? Y will be 0. Then Y will be 0. X will be something. So let me take as X. Then 0 to C as X distance. I'm taking. What I'm taking? X units, or you take some other things also. Even if you want to take H also, you take, not a problem. That is our wish. Okay. I'm taking X. That's it. Y-axis and X-axis will make 90 degree at origin. Am I right? So that I'm going to take the triangle. What is that? Either BOC or AOC I'm taking. Let me take BOC. The bottom I will take. BOC I will take. Okay. So the triangle, what I'm taking? BOC triangle I'm taking. So what is the C point? C point is what? X comma 0. So I'm taking the triangle, in a triangle, BOC, where O angle equal to 90 degree. So I can use Pythagoras theorem here. What is that? 90 degree opposite side is BC. So square of the hypotenuse, BC square equal to sum of square of other two sides. That means OB square plus OC square by using Pythagoras. By using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, and since you just mentioned, BC value we know very well. Here let me mention the given. So AB, BC, CA is everything equal to 2A units. It's everything equal to 2A units. And they said that it's a midpoint. Origin is a midpoint. That means, here let me mention, OA distance, OA and OB, both are equal to A. Half of the 2A, we can say that A units. Then what I have, you see BC value, it's equal to 2A. Let me substitute here 2A square. And OB value, we know that is A square. And OC value, I assumed as X units. Then OC equal to X units. This I assumed now. So X square you will be getting. Understand? Now 2A square, when you apply the power, I'm getting 4A square. A square when I bring opposite, 1A square, which is equal to X square. When you simplify this, what I'm getting? 3 times A square equal to X square. Square when you send opposite, I'm getting square root of 3 times A square, which is equal to what I'm getting? X. Right. So when I take root for 3, I don't have, so let me write 3. A square I have a root. What it is? Just A. Because A square, now square root will be cancelled. So I'm getting A. When I take root, I can write plus or minus A root 3, which is equal to X. Therefore, all required vertices of triangle, let me write now. X, this is now. That is what meaning? The C point X comma 0, which is equal to plus or minus A root 3 comma 0. That is the C point. Now I have A vertex, B vertex and C vertex also I have. Therefore, I can write that. Therefore, the vertices of triangle ABC are A point, I know 0 comma A, B point, I know 0 comma minus A, C point, I know that plus or minus A root 3 and 0. That's it. This is my required answer. Children, I hope you understand this. Kindly you take a notes, okay? Now here, what they are telling, we'll see. Find the distance between. We have to find the distance between then any 2 point or something else. P and Q. They are given that P and Q when PQ is parallel to the y-axis. PQ parallel to the y-axis. Before going the subdivisions, first we will find the distance between P and Q. We know that distance between 2 points is what is the formula? That I am going to apply. Okay, what is the formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus whole square. That is I am going to use. Ashika, what? Are you sleeping or what? No, then why are you looking like that? Huh? Maths class means with the smiling you have to listen. Don't sleep. Come here. With a smiling face. Ma, just like that, if you are smiling, they will be telling something. Understand? With a smiling face, I told to listen. What happened? Ma, if you turn off this light, I will become dark, ma. That is what. We'll use this. What happened? You're getting high pain. Where is your optical? Use it. Okay, now we are generally we'll write the distance formula. What is that? What is the PQ? Distance formula. Distance formula what ra? Yes. Distance formula, we know that square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Understand? This is the formula. Here, PQ distance I am going to find. So PQ, they are given that very clearly, Q value x2, y2, P1, x1, y1. Shall we? Right. What is the x2, x2 only? x1, x1. There is no other. Changes the same thing, we are going to mention it. Right, fine. This is the PQ distance formula. Okay. Now, point number 1, what they are telling, PQ is parallel to y-axis. PQ parallel to y-axis. That is the question. PQ parallel to y-axis. Listen the concept. PQ parallel to y-axis in the sense, guys listen, it's origin who I'm taking. So PQ parallel to y-axis in the sense, PQ line should be vertical. Then only it will be parallel to y. Because y-axis vertical for what? X-axis. Am I right? Y-axis vertical for what? X-axis. Then the same manner we have to draw the PQ. Then PQ can be like this. So why you are drawing right hand side? Let me draw left hand side. Okay, you draw. That is your wish. Okay. So this is P point, Q point. Then what is my P point here? X1, comma, Y1. Right. Q point, X2, comma, Y2. Right. Have you noticed one thing? From the origin, what is the distance here? Here, that will be standard for both the point P and Q. Have you noticed it? Then, from here to here, suppose if it is x1, then what about x2? Also same. Am I right? Then here we are getting it, x1 and x2 are what, my dear? Same. Then only it will be parallel. Ma, when we have a, what is that? When we have a 1.4 comma 2 da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 comma 2, 1.4 comma 2. One more point, 4 comma 10, 4 comma minus 10, for example, 4 comma minus 10. When we join this, surely this will be parallel to y-axis. Am I right? When it will be parallel? When we have the x coordinate will be same, then only it will be parallel. Am I right? They are telling that it is parallel. Then surely that x coordinate should be what? Equal. That is I am telling. Okay, right. From the diagram, we'll be getting that idea. From the diagram, okay. From the diagram, x1 equal to x2. Reason, if you want to write, you write. What is that? Any line parallel to y-axis, the x coordinate will be same or equal. Okay. Any. What is that? Any line segment joining the points. Okay. Any line segment joining the points is parallel to y-axis. parallel to y-axis, then x coordinates are same or equal. X coordinate are same or equal, you just write. Is it okay, the condition which I'm telling? Any line segment joining the points is parallel to y-axis. This is the line, PQ is a line segment here. Joining the points, we are getting line segment. It's parallel to y-axis and same. Surely the x coordinate will be same. That is I'm mentioning it. So if it is same, then what the one will become? What the one will become? That is the question. That is their question. The one became PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 will be both are equal, am I right? Then it will become 0. That's it. Okay, it will be became 0. Then what I'm getting the remaining portion? Y2 minus y1 the whole square. Do you understand that? Both are equal, it will be subtracted as a 0. Okay, now 0 square 0 leave it. Then what I'm getting the remaining y2 minus y1 the whole square. Square and root we can cancel, am I right? Am I right? Right. So what you will be getting here? The required answer? Yes, y2 minus y1. But we should not stop y2 minus y1. Why? When we square the number, suppose inside, when I have a 3, when you square, I'm getting plus 9. When I have a minus 3, when I square, I'm getting plus 9. Am I right? But after remove the power, I'm getting different answer. After applying the power, I'm getting same answer. So here, plus or minus you will be getting when you take a root. Am I right? Either plus or minus, whatever you have, we should take only plus because there is a whole square. There is a whole square. When we have a whole square, we should take only positive value. We should not take negative value. So maybe inside it contain negative or positive, but we should take only positive. So I'm getting modulus for this. Is it okay why I'm giving the modulus? Because after I apply the power, it will be became plus. That is what. Okay. It may come negative or positive inside. What is the inside that? Surely it will be coming. So we have to take only positive. This is one of the value for a parallel to y-axis. What is the second question they are telling? What is the second question? Parallel to x-axis. Then what it will be? PQ parallel to x-axis. What it will become? You just tell me. Similarly, x2 minus x1 modulus. Modulus of x2 minus x1. That's it. Am I right? Same thing. Can I write similarly? Can I mention? Because same diagram we have to draw. Parallelly, we have to mention everything. So similarly, let me mention it. PQ equal to, similarly we get y1 equal to y2. Okay, similarly when you draw parallel to x-axis, you will be getting y will be same. Okay, right. That is I'm doing. Then equation 1 implies, what I'm getting 1 implies PQ equal to square root of here x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1, when you apply the thing, you will be getting 0, so 0 square 0, leave it. Okay, now here modulus of x2 minus x1 the whole square. After remove the square and root, you will be getting modulus x2 minus x1. That is my required PQ for the second one. Is it understand, children? It's very important why I am giving modulus. Okay, when we have a square root, inside there is a square, when we have a square, it will be coming positive value. Okay, when we have a square, it will be giving positive value. So when we remove that square, we should give that modulus. It's important. Understand? Right. Is it okay, children? Is it enough? Can I continue one more sum? Can I do one more? When the period over? Then I will do, ma. Only one question. Hey, 350. We have more. Right. The fourth one. Listen. Find the point on x-axis. We have to find point on x-axis. Akshita, listen. So point on x-axis in the sense the point can be how? Akshita, tell me. X comma minus x comma 0 or a plus x comma 0. Any point on x-axis, x comma 0 or minus x comma 0 means y coordinate will be 0. It's very important. Right. We have to find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from this point. Which is equidistant from the point. I hope you people studied it. This is intentional. Am I right? The same manner. Here, x comma 0 because the point on x-axis. So I'm taking x comma 0. I'm not drawing original diagram, just roughly I'm going on. And this is the point 7 comma 0 and this is the point 3 comma 4. That's it. Both the distance what actually here equal because what they said equidistance. Equidistance means it giving equal distance. It giving equal distance. So the x comma 0 making same distance for this point for that point also. So for both the point it gives same distance. Suppose from x comma 0 to 7 comma 6 10 units na same here also it giving 10 units. That is the main. Don't think we can use here midpoint. If they mentioned here line segment, all the 3 points making a line segment, it means like a collinear or something else if they are mentioning, we can go midpoint formula. If they're not mentioning that it's forming line, we should not use the midpoint formula. Sir, it have a equal distance, sir. Then one point is here, one point is here, one point is here. Both the point giving equal distance. Suppose x comma 0 in the middle and these two things will be midpoint only, sir. Take a midpoint for both sides, it will be coming. Like that, don't think. They didn't mention that all the 3 forming line segment. If they said that, then only we can allow to go midpoint formula. Otherwise, we have to use distance formula. Distance between these two things and these two things will be same. So we have to make it equal and we can apply it. Okay, right. I'm taking this as A, this as a B, this as a P point. So given condition, what is the given condition? Given condition is AP equal to BP. Both the distance are same. That is their question. Both the distance same. Then what is the point on x-axis? That means x value we have to find. Shall we? Right. So distance formula square root of and square root of. We know that AP point. What is the A point ma? 7 comma 6. P point we know that x comma 0. Like that B point 3 comma 4 and P point x comma 0. And here we know that this is my x1 y1 x2 y2 and here x1 y1 x2 and y2. Let's apply this. Here what is my x2? X1 value 7 whole square plus y2 0 minus y1 value 6 whole square. Understand? And x2 x minus x1 3 whole square plus y2 0 y1 4 whole square. When we have a root, we cannot find x. So what we'll do? Square on both sides. Good, good. Square on both sides. So I'm doing square on both sides. On both sides I'm applying. Then what I'm getting here? Root will be cancelled. Then x a minus b whole square formula. Okay. So a minus b whole square formula I'm going to apply. And minus 6 whole square, what is it, plus 36 here. The same thing. X minus 3 whole square. 4 square value, we know that 16. Normal a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square we have to apply. So a square plus b square minus 2ab. What it is? Minus 2ab, 36 as it is. Understand? Like that here, a square plus b square minus 2ab. What it is? Minus 2ab, 16 as it is. That's it. We have to simplify. See children, when we have a equal in between the two term, when we have a same sign with the same numerical, we can cancel it. X square. So x square I'm going to cancel because when you bring left hand side, it will be opposite sign. So we can cancel directly here. If you have anything like that, you can eliminate it. It's nothing. Only these two term we are applying it. What is the 49 I'm getting? 2 7s are 14. 14 into x, 14x plus 36, which is equal to 3 square 9. 2 3s are 6 minus 6x plus 16. That's it, Raja. Here 9 plus 16, what I'm getting? Plus 25 minus 6x. And here 36 plus, what is that? 40, 70, 79, 85 minus 14x. Then x fully one side. What it is? X fully one side and numerical fully one side. You just bring it, you will be getting the required portion, what it is. Okay. So plus 85, 25 when you bring opposite, minus 25, which is equal to minus 6x we have. Am I right? Then left hand side you send opposite, the minus 14 when you send opposite, plus 14x. That's it. And here, when we subtract both 85 minus 25, what I'm getting? 60, which is equal to here. It's the opposite sign. Have you noticed it? So we have to subtract. Then 14 minus 6, what I'm getting? 8 plus 8 x. Then 1 8, how many 8 you will be getting? Huh? Is it going or what? No. 56. Then, okay, maybe it may come in decimal. You just cancel 4 table, right? 2 times, what I'm getting? 15, 1, remaining 2, 15. That's it. 7.5. Don't give in a decimal because it is a point. Okay, we'll give R value. 15 by 2, which is equal to x. R 7.5 equal to x. Therefore, what they asked to find? Point or x? Point. Point in the sense we have to represent this as a decimal. Sorry, in a point. Point, what it is? P. Then P equal to, P of x comma 0, which is equal to P of 15 by 2 comma 0 R. P of 7.5 comma 0. Like that we have to represent. Understand? Is it okay, ma? Right, Raja? This is question number 5. We are going to see, children. Question number 5. Right. So what is question number 5? You see, find the slope of a line. So we have to find a slope. Slope we have to find. Slope, I gave a 3 formula. 1 based on angle, based on point, and based on line. How you remember the formulas? Based on point, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And based on angle? Tan theta. And based on line, in the sense, minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Everything equal to m. Slope in the sense we are denoting by using the m letter. Understand? Right. Let's start this. Okay, we'll enter this. Here they asked to find a slope. Slope of a line we have to find which passes through the origin. Then listen carefully. We have to draw a coordinate plane. This is my x-axis. And this is my y-axis. Origin O. The line passing through origin. Origin in the sense 0, 0. I told you. So through this origin, the line is going. For which line I'm going to find a slope? That line going through origin. Okay, let's see. And where it going? And it going through even midpoint of the line joining, line segment joining the point 0, minus 4. So 0, minus 4 in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it will be, what is that? 0, minus 4. This is my point P. And one more point they are given, B point 8, 0. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 in the sense. And here we have 8, 0. This is point B. When I join B and P, there is a line segment, I'm right. Here, they said that very clearly, midpoint of the line segment. Midpoint of the line segment, something, let me take C if I'm taking. Through point C and origin O, that line is going. That line is going through origin and a midpoint. For that line, we have to find a slope. Okay. This is our required line L. For this L, we have to find a slope. Then we have a 1 point origin. Am I right? One more point I have to find by using midpoint formula. Then you will be getting C point. After getting C and O, we can apply through 2-point formula. You will be getting the required slope. Understand what I am telling? Right. Now I'm going to find first C point. Before going to C, what I need? The midpoint formula I need. Am I right? Okay. So midpoint, which is equal to what I know the midpoint formula? Yeah, x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. What I'm going to find here, midpoint of PB, I'm going to find. Okay, right. So midpoint of PB equal to point, what is the name I took? C. Point C I will be getting. Understand? What happened? Listen here. So point C I'm going to find. If I need point C, midpoint I need to find, I told you. So what is that? Better I will write like this. Point C, if I need, I have to take midpoint of PB. Now, so midpoint of PB by 2, comma by 2. Point P I have to write. What is the point P? 0, comma minus 4. Point B I have to write 8, comma 0. And this is my x1, y1. It's my x2, y2. Apply here. X1 value 0, x2 value 8, and y1 value minus 4, y2 value 0. Understand? So what I'm getting here? 8 divided by 2, comma, minus 4 divided by 2. After I simplify, what I'm getting? 4, comma, minus 2. This is my required point C. This is my point C. Okay. Now I have a point C and origin O. Now I can go finding what? Slope. Okay. So slope formula, slope of M, which is equal to, what is the formula? Very good. Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. Right. So slope of, what is that? CO or OC, because origin OM, right? So OC or a CO. That is they asked to find. Now I'm going, what is my, this is my X1, Y1. It's my x1, y1, and here C point we got it 4, comma minus 2. Okay, 4, comma minus 2. So this is my x2 and y2. Now we'll substitute here. So what I'm getting? What is my x2 value? Sorry, y2 value minus 2. Formula minus y1 value 0. X2 value 4. Formula minus x1 value 0. So what I'm getting? Minus 2 divided by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by 2 after I simplify. So slope of OC. Instead of OC, you can say that slope of line also. Okay. Here OC is a line segment. After crossing O and C, it's going. So we can say that required slope is a minus 1 by 2. Understand, children? That's it. This is our required answer. Is it okay, ma? Okay, children, it's enough. Today video is over. Tomorrow I will come with the next questions. Thank you, children. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends also. Thank you. Bye. See you later.